Hello, this is Christian with MISO BIM. This tutorial topic is on ceilings and reflected ceiling plans. This course is considered beginner level. You will learn how to work on reflected ceiling plans and create ceilings. For this tutorial, we will be working off our extended stay hotel project with the floor and walls already modeled. Just like floors, ceilings are system families. The most appropriate view in which to create and edit your ceilings is the reflected ceiling plan, or RCP. If you look in the project browser just below floor plans, you will see the ceiling plans category. Double-click on the RCP Level 1 view to open it. Open a 3D view and press WT to have both views open. In the RCP view, we can still see our walls, but the floor is no longer visible. This is because of our view range. We will go over the view range in a later tutorial, but for now keep in mind that in this view we are looking up towards the ceiling. To create a ceiling, go over to the Architectural tab above the Build panel and select the Ceiling tool. Revit comes with two main types of ceilings: basic ceilings and compound ceilings. Select the compound 2x2 grid ceiling. Just like floors, ceilings must be associated to a level, and in the Properties palette, you can input the level and the ceiling's height offset. In this case, I want my ceiling's height to be at 9 feet off level 1. Above the ceiling panel, you can choose to create an automatic ceiling or sketch a ceiling. Select the automatic ceiling and hover your cursor over your plan. As you hover over a room, you can see a thick red boundary appear in the room's perimeter. Left-click inside the room and your ceiling will be created. Press Escape to exit out of the command. By using the automatic ceiling option, Revit will lock the ceiling boundary to the wall's edge, and if you ever move a wall, the ceiling boundary will move with it. You can select the ceiling by hovering over the ceiling perimeter and tab cycling through the model elements until you see the ceiling appear in your status bar on the bottom left. Or you can turn on the Select Elements by Face option found under the Modify tool and just click on a ceiling surface to select it. Sometimes the automatic ceiling option will not work, and in that case you'll have to sketch the ceiling. Activate the ceiling tool and select Sketch Ceiling. You'll enter sketch mode, where you will draw your ceiling boundary using any of the draw tools available. In this example, all our ceilings are rectangular, so the rectangle draw tool is the best tool to use. Left-click to set the corner points, and the ceiling sketch boundary will appear as magenta lines with unlock symbols. If you click on the symbol, it will lock it to the wall's edge. To save your sketch and exit sketch mode, select the check icon. Even if you didn't click on the symbol, it will still move with the wall's edge just because you drew it right over the wall perimeter. Remember, if you draw two separate ceilings in the same sketch mode, they will be considered as one connected ceiling in the model. If I select this ceiling piece, the other one is also selected because I drew both of them in the same sketch mode. And if I change any properties, both will be affected. The only way to separate them is to edit the ceiling boundary and delete one of them. Then recreate the ceiling in its own sketch mode. By doing this, you can now edit its type and height offset without affecting any other ceiling. That concludes our beginner course on ceilings and reflected ceiling plans. Thanks for watching.